AMC stock rose to a record high on 2nd June, in a blistering rally that made many wonder how an arcane options market dynamic known as a gamma squeeze can drive a stock price crazy. First of all, what is an options gamma? Based on optiontradingpedia.com, the definition of options gamma is the rate of change of options delta, with a small rise in the price of the underlying stock. So what the hell does it mean? Let's get into understanding options gamma on AMC more. Welcome to Market Pulse channel. If you are new to our channel, welcome bro and sis. We are making videos for stocks and cryptocurrencies to help you understand how you could maximize your portfolio gains in any market situations, and of course at the same time, to bring you great entertainment. Stay tuned for more exciting contents. Please destroy the like button below to help the YouTube algorithm to increase this video search ratio, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. AMC stock price surged was partly caused by the heavy equity options trading. The equity options give buyers the right to buy or sell shares at a fixed price in the future. When the share price moves based on the normal course of trading, such as buy and sell demands, the value of equity options fluctuate according to the option traders exercising their rights, meaning their choice of making put or call options. The back-end system's algorithms will make a range of mathematical calculations according to the data captured, one of the calculation methods, commonly known as gamma by seasonal traders. The action of selling an option is called short gamma. Gamma will become highest when the strike price of the option sold is very close to the stock market price. Anyone who sells options will have to deliver the underlying stock, so those who sell options are taking risk of huge losses if in the end they are required to pay the price higher than their sell options. In order to reduce their risk of exposure, they often buy shares of the stock for the option. This is a covered call strategy. In the AMC case, options traders buy large quantities of out-of-the-money call options as the AMC stock skyrockets, which forces the market maker to buy stock in order to hedge their risk exposure. Short gamma becomes more serious when the share price moves closer to the high strike prices held by the bullish investors. Most AMC options contracts are clustered around the $20 to $40 level, with open contracts thinning out above the $60 level. AMC was trading above $60 on 3rd June. When the AMC stock traded above $60, it forced the market makers to continue to buy more AMC shares to offset their loss exposure. As such, the demand of AMC stock increased, which resulted in more fuel being added to the rally. That is how a gamma squeeze happened in the first week of June. AMC is a meme stock and the redditors have helped push the shares up 1,100% since the start of the year. Looking to build on that momentum and stay connected to small investors. On 2nd June, AMC announced new perks for its retail investors, including free large popcorn to even the smallest shareholders, if they signed up for a regular newsletter. The AMC CEO, Adam Aron said, "Even if our shareholders now number in the millions, these people are the owners of AMC, and I work for them." In a recent interview, Aron said he wanted to help drive up the value of the AMC share price over time, the right way, slowly and by building value, by growing the company and by delivering earnings over the long haul. The professional investors and broker-dealers are being caught off guard by Adam. Adam's embrace of retail investors in a manner that has allowed a solid set of believers in the company's prospects to provide a foundation for many more buyers. Their combined force has been enough to overcome a significant sale of shares to a hedge fund that were immediately flipped and dumped into the marketplace. So far AMC has raised well over $1 billion issuing new stocks via the market offering since the start of 2020. Part of that, some $428 million, was raised since the end of April, at an average of almost $10 a share, which is 5 times the January low. AMC raised another $230.5 million on 2 June by selling 8.5 million shares to Mudrick Capital Management. On the same day, Mudrick Capital Management sold all AMC shares and took profits. According to the open market regulatory filing on 4 June, 2 board members and 4 executives had sold their shares at near record prices. Among them were Gary Locke, a board of director, and Carla Chavarria, the company's head of human resources. Among the 6 people who sold, Chavarria sold more than 40,000 shares at $62.67, value about $2.53 million. Others who sold include John McDonald, Executive Vice President of U.S. Operations, Daniel Ellis, Senior Vice President of Development, Elizabeth Frank, Chief Content Officer, and board member Anthony Syke. However, the AMC CEO, Adam Aron, has repeatedly said that he hasn't sold any of his shares. But on 3 June, AMC went ahead to sell 11 million shares and raise $587.4 million in funding. This has caused the stock price fell low as $37.66, however it bounced back before market close to $51.34. AMC stock price went through a big up and down in the first week of June. It closed at $47.91 on Friday, 4 June. All retail investors want to know if the Gamma Squeeze is already over. All investors want to know if this is the good time to buy the dip, and wait for the Gamma Squeeze to push up the stock price to all-time high again. According to the data, the Gamma Squeeze has not ended yet, as the shorts haven't even begun to close their positions. Fox Business reported that AMC still has a strong chance of a Gamma Squeeze. AMC is still the most shorted stock in the market as of current status. Market makers are still bleeding heavily. When the borrowed shares are running out, the stock price will be skyrocketing again. But would the Gamma Squeeze possibly not happen, as the hedge funds are doing all they could to avoid it? The answer is yes, because no one will know the future of market direction, and Gamma Squeeze could happen both ways. How it will end, it completely depends on the Reddit army, and the millions of retail investors. AMC needs to continue to climb higher. Let's prepare our popcorn, and enjoy the upcoming nice AMC saga show time. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. If you would like us to make a video for topics, stock or crypto that you are interested in, please leave us a comment. We will make the video for you. Please like this video, and subscribe to the channel. The content of this video is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. It is very important to do your own analysis before making any investment. Thank you, and see you again in next video.